y'all, I'm gonna make the French toast. It's only supposed to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. I'm gonna put it in the oven. So we're gonna see what it do. It's French toast. So I'm gonna do the French toast, bacon, and eggs, and we're gonna call it a morning. Y'all, this is just too good. Too good. Wanna work your body? Wanna work your body? Yippee-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yay, wanna work your body, baby.
Names.
Boy, that's...
I say, they got names.
That's ridiculous. Anyway, y'all see the guys? Look at them. Look at Jamarie, y'all. This guy, he done learned how to sit up good, so he don't want nobody bothering him. My bad, y'all. He don't want nobody bothering him, nothing. But I be having to watch him because he be moving. I mean, falling over. Sayo, let him sit up. Tell him, I got it, Sayo. I got it. Tell him, Papa.
I'm trying to teach you how to do it.
No, stop before he fall. You have to be careful because he a little wobbly. Hey, I got it, Sayo. Tell him, Papa. Tell him, Papa. Say, I got it. Man.
Like one of them stood, he said,
man, that's crazy. Anyway, y'all, I've been here chilling. We've been sitting in the living room talking, scrolling on our phones and everything else. You about to go, especially if you're talking about going to the grocery store, child. I'm not walking around no grocery store. So what do we,
Me.
So what do you want to eat later? Oh, Lord have mercy, y'all. This is a day in, day out situation. Trying to figure out what we gonna eat. I'm like, ooh, I wish it was just, I don't know, the Jetson vibes where we be like, ooh, breakfast is ready. It just comes by on the conveyor belt. Ooh, it's 12 o'clock, lunchtime. It comes by on the conveyor belt. 5 o'clock, it's dinner. It comes by on the conveyor belt. I ain't got to worry about trying to figure out what we going to eat. And then what he want to eat. And all that other stuff. We're going to have a menu. That might be the best way to do things. Is like basically plan out meals like weekly. I still don't even want to deal with that. Because then I always feel like we eat the same thing over and over and over again. And I'm just like, I personally want to start, I guess, broadening my palate. Because I'm one that don't like to try new things. Not like that, no way. But anyway, yeah, y'all, I gotta figure something out. But anyway, yeah, y'all, we just chilling. Like, I ain't got much going. My girl is in town. And if you know what I mean by my girl, the big red dot is in town or whatever. And so I'm just kind of drained and just chilling. My best friend is in the Houston area, so we might link up within these next couple days that she's gonna be here. Jamaica. So we're gonna do that. And then tomorrow morning I'm gonna be babysitting my little niece. I gotta check with my sister to see if, you know, she don't mind her being on camera. If not, y'all won't be able to see her. But anyway, yeah, she's like a little bit older than Jamarie, so I do got that going on. And then we supposed to be turning up for Princess' birthday. Princess that live above us, Joshua cousin. We're gonna be turning up for her birthday. I think Friday, either Friday or Saturday, one of them two. So I'll be filming that for y'all. And yeah, y'all, we got what, like 3 weeks left for Vlogmas. To me, it just seems like it's going really fast. So anyway, yeah, y'all, that's all we got going on. And I'll call y'all back when something is shaking and jumping. In the kitchen, putting up these few groceries that Joshua just brought back from Walmart. he picked up basically what I'm gonna cook tomorrow. His mom will be in town tomorrow. Because I have to drive her to work on Friday, y'all. Y'all already know my mother-in-law does not like driving in Houston. She is scared to go over bridges. So, yeah, y'all. And then we don't go on the highway, child. I have to take the feeder or go like a back roads way, which takes longer to get there, but it's cool. So, I got that going on. Child, it's so crazy. I be like, dang, when I be looking ahead of the days and I don't be having nothing much to do, it's like every time something ends up coming up, like to where I have like a gang of stuff to do. And I'm like, you know, good because we're, you know, doing Vlogmas, but yeah, it's crazy. Because I be sitting up here worried, like, dang, I ain't got nothing to do today. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna vlog. This and that and the third, and then boom, something come up. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what he got. Every time his mama come, child, I don't know. I guess she just be coming at a bad time because I don't really be doing too much cooking. But I think she might be in luck this time because I think she might stay until Saturday or Sunday. I mean, I don't know. Who knows? But anyway. He got these green onions. He got, oh shoot, I almost dropped it. He got the green onions. Then he got this yellow onion. I think this is a yellow onion. Yeah, this yellow onion. Then he got some wild rice. Good, don't sleep on the wild rice. And y'all know, okay, hold on. Dad went to the truck to get the pizza. You know, we love Mama Patty's and her baked mac and cheese. It's a go, and it saves me so much time. Then Josh got some more raspberries.
Of course, I love
and
the blueberries.
These are blackberries and some blackberries.
But can I tell them my favorite food is?
Wait, and then cream of mushroom. Wait. Oh, he got 2 cream of mushrooms. I told him to get cream of chicken. Anyway. Because I need to get 1 cream of chicken and 1 cream of mushroom. I don't think he paid attention to that part. Because I specifically put on the text message 1 cream of chicken and 1 cream of mushroom. And here we are with 2 creams of mushroom. Anyway, he tried. He loves pears, so... He got some pears. Then he got, oh Lord. Then he got 2 heads of cabbage because he wants cabbage. So basically what I'm going to be cooking tomorrow is sweet potatoes, candied yams, cabbage, this baked mac and cheese, and then I'm going to try my hand at the, I think it's called cream of mushroom chicken, where I have the chicken breasts, and then you just put, you know, season it up and everything, and then you just put a can of cream of mushroom and a can of cream of chicken and put it in the oven and let it bake on, child. That's what we're gonna have tomorrow. So it is. So anyway, the yams and the chicken breast. And hold on, let me put the camera so they can see you. Okay. We have a word from Solomon, of course.
And guys, if you want to know what my
come this way. All right.
Okay, guys. So if you know what my favorite food is, so I'm gonna give you a hint. It starts with pepperoni pizza. What am I gonna say?
Yes.
Of course.
Yes.
Woo!
Child, this guy a mess. Josh ended up getting some pizza for right now. It's 5:05 right now, so he ended up getting some pizza from our favorite little spot. I think it's called El Patron. What'd you get, Boo Bear?
Pepperoni and the meat lovers. And they got the breadsticks, but they the breadsticks and mozzarella.
These are the wingies. Wings. You dig? Hold on, what else we got?
got pepperoni pizza.
Then we got the cheese bread. This is my fave, y'all. The cheese bread.
It's the family special they had.
Okay.
They had like a
Family special?
for a holiday special, I mean.
Ooh.
This looks scrumdiddlyumptious. And then we got the pizza, y'all.
Woo!
So anyway, we about to grub a dub, y'all.
Into the tub.
Jamaria is actually asleep right now. Hopefully he stays asleep while I can eat real quick. And yeah, y'all, I think that's basically all I got left going on. Because, like I said, it's 5:06. It is the end of the day for us. And let me fix Solomon's plate so he can eat. And then I'm about to eat. And I'm just about to watch some YouTube, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and end out this vlog. If you guys are new here and you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Become part of the gang. And as always, thank you guys for watching. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.